What up, YouTube? It's your boy Immortal Soul 111, and I'm back with another video. Hope y'all been taking care of yourself. Hope y'all having a blessed day. Y'all see I'm taking a walk in nature for the first time. I haven't really been able to walk as often like I wanted to due to my injury. You know? But I'm gonna get y'all a video real quick. Hey, how you doing? I just thought I'd bring y'all a meditation video for beginners. I know I got a lot of people that's around me that's been asking me to make this video on how to meditate, because they want to learn how to meditate too, but frankly, they just don't know where to start. They don't know how to do it, and some of them has given up and shit, or they're afraid of being talked about, from other people. They still care about what other people think about them. But it will come a point in time, soon. That time is coming where they just not gonna care, and they just gonna do whatever it takes to get that peace of mind. And that's what meditation do. Meditation, it helps you, it makes you more chill. It helps you get into a peaceful state. You're not caring about what other people thinking about you. You ain't thinking about the past. You're not overthinking. You just living life. You just chilling in nature. You just, you're gonna always have a smile on your face. All right, so let's get right into it. So when you first start out meditating, go in your room, right? If you got your own room, go in your room, turn off all the electronics. Your phone, get off your phone, get off the game, get off FaceTime with your little boo, whatever, nigga. Get off that shit. Focus on yourself. You taking this time out to gather your thoughts and put your attention on you, right? Because you want to learn how to meditate, right? Because I know some of y'all probably Christian, y'all probably, y'all still look up in the sky for Jesus and shit, right? But I ain't gonna get into that. So meditation is another form of prayer. So if you don't know how to pray and you feel like praying, it's not for you, you probably struggle with it, you can meditate. Meditation is another form of prayer, right? So let me continue walking. So how you do it is, you in your room by yourself, hopefully, otherwise you ain't gonna be able to concentrate. So you in the room by yourself, close your eyes. Let me start real quick. You just close your eyes, right? You wanna gather all your attention right here. This is where your third eye is, your pineal gland. This is where you be getting all them headaches and shit from, all this drama, all these outside distractions. You get headaches right there because you blocking your third eye. You can't focus. You got all these negative thoughts in your mind. You always thinking about some shit, overthinking about some shit. So you just close your eyes. You focus, try to focus your center of attention right here. Try to focus your eyeballs right here, right? So after you did that, breathe in and breathe out. What I like to do, I like to breathe in and breathe out about 6 times, until I get into that meditative state. See, I'm more advanced, you're not gonna get it the first try. It might take some time, it takes a lot of patience. This shit take a lot of patience, so you gotta stick with me. You gotta stick with it, bro. It's up to you. I can only tell y'all how to do this shit. It's up to you to apply yourself. So after you then, take those 6 breaths, right? And you still not able to focus on yourself, right? What you can do is you can put on a guided meditation on YouTube and just vibe. You just vibe with the audio. You can listen to the audio and it'll help you. It'll be somebody talking over the audio, guiding you, help you to clear your thoughts, right? But eventually the goal is you will have a clear state of mind. Like, you won't have any thoughts. You'll just be in bliss. You'll just be peaceful. Bro, I'm telling y'all, if this shit didn't work, I wouldn't be on here preaching this shit. I wouldn't be on here, you know, trying to get y'all to do this shit. Cause, bro, ever since I done did this shit, you know, and stuck with it, my life has changed, bro. My shit changed for the better. I don't wake up with an attitude. I don't be moody. You know, even if I do, it just be for a split second, then I get over the shit. You know, I don't think about the past. Like, I move forward, bro. Like, whatever happens, happens, bro. You just come to an understanding that, you know, life is precious. You know, life is amazing. Life is not all about worrying or being depressed over some shit that you can't control, bro. You can't control this shit, so why even stress about it, bro? Why even waste time, bro? Am I right? Am I right? Okay. So, you got that guided meditation on, right? You're breathing in, breathing out. I'm gonna just say it like this. You can just keep doing that shit. Just keep breathing in, breathing out. Because when you're doing that, I'm gonna tell you, the reason for that is you're becoming in alignment with yourself. You know? You're aligning your mind. You're aligning your body, your soul to operate as one. Okay? Fucking squirrel and shit. So, just stick with it. You know, it takes a lot of patience. And I know y'all claim y'all got ADHD. That's why y'all claim why y'all can't sit still for 5 to 10 minutes. You know, that's no excuse, bro. I got ADHD too. I was diagnosed with that shit. You know what I'm saying? Quote unquote, I was, you know, got all these problems and they saying that's why I can't sit still. But, bro, listen, if you really want to do this shit, you gonna do it, bro. And you gonna work at it every day, right? So, you know, you just wanna keep breathing in, breathing out. And look, you don't just, you take in controlled, you know, slow breaths. Like this, let me show y'all. Then out. Breathe in, out. You feel better, right? You should feel better. You know, they don't teach us. They teach us to get on our knees and pray to something outside of us. We have all the answers within us. Little do y'all know, we are God. And I'm not saying we are superior, you know, we are better than anybody. Like, we are immortal in the flesh. I'm saying we have God within all of us. So he's inside all of us. So he gave us all the tools that we need to function properly, to live and become a better human being. We don't need therapy. We don't need all this other shit, medicine, pills, you know, to help us think straight, to help us become a better person. This was just programming in our mind, bro, to think like that we need this shit, this outside shit to function every day. Y'all see this sun, bro? Bro, hey, listen. Y'all want a sun gazing update tutorial, you know, for the ones who still don't know how to sun gaze, y'all let me know. You know, the sun, finally the sun is looking right, bro. It's been 2 different suns, bro. I know y'all probably heard about this shit. But yeah, back to this meditation shit. Now, y'all probably asking, like, Keith, how many times am I supposed to do it? I don't have time to do it. What am I supposed to do? You have a lot of time. No, nigga, I don't. I just put myself before anything. I put myself first. I take the time out my day to do it because I care that much. I would rather take 5, 10 minutes out my day than to waste all that time I could have been meditating, downloading information from the universe. I'd rather do that than scroll on social media and waste time and bash myself, down myself, compare myself to others. Like y'all do on Instagram. Followers, looking for somebody to follow. That's why it's called followers. You're looking for somebody to look up to your damn self. You know? So, do it starting off. Like I said, if you're a beginner, do it as soon as you wake up. If you really want to start your day off right, you're going to want to do it as soon as you wake up and right before you go to sleep. If y'all got sleeping problems, it will help you go to sleep. If you want to wake up ready to start the day, ready to be productive, chase your dreams and desires, manifest. Meditating will help you with all of that. Now, y'all probably wondering, like, what is manifestation? What are you talking about? I'm going to make that for a separate video, because I don't want to make this video too long and all over the place. But yeah, just remember, just to sum up this video, meditate twice a day for beginners so you can get in the habit, in a routine. The more you do it, the more better you're going to feel. Then it's going to become a daily habit. 5 minutes twice a day. If you can't do that, then I don't know what to tell you. You watching this video for no reason then. Y'all got to take this information and apply yourself. And remember to take in 6 breaths, controlled breathing, in and out, like I just showed y'all in the beginning of the video. And that's really how you meditate. It's going to change you. It's going to change your life too. It's going to change your whole environment. If you ain't ready to do that, don't meditate. It's as simple as that. All right, y'all. I hope I helped y'all out. I hope y'all start meditating. I hope this gave you a better understanding on how to, get to that meditative state and see what all the hype is about. When people talk about meditating and shit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like on this video. This video helped you out. Comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what video y'all want to see next. Think about making a Sun-Gaze video. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. Immortal Soul 111, and I'm out.